Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to replace the spring on your Whirlpool dishwasher soap dispenser. But before I do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all my videos. So to take this off, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this off. Just like that, comes off really easy. What you want to do is take note of which way that the spring is sitting when you take it off. So we'll take it off. Get our new spring, put our new spring in there, run it through the hole over here, center it. Okay, so now we want to hold this at a 90-degree angle just like that. And we want to make sure we get the spring caught, the little two knobs caught in there so that it gives it some edge. So you see how those two springs are there? They're going to go right inside there. And you grab the little horseshoe, gently pull it up, put it in place, close it up, and voila. That is how you replace your spring on your dishwasher.